Hey, good morning everybody. I am at Emmett Ferguson here and I'm at Planet Fitness, and today I'm just going to do this quick video on this machine called a torso rotation machine. And just a quick disclaimer, you know, if you ever choose to do a workout exercise or routine, or you ever get into something that might impact your physical health even for the better, definitely go seek out a physician first, talk to a certified personal trainer. I'm not a certified personal trainer, but I definitely know what I'm talking about when it comes to these machines. So with that said, so when you're doing this machine, right, what you can do is first step up to the machine. If you need to clarify what it is, look at the sign, and you've got this part right here. This is going to be movable because you see all this, and this part right here is also going to be movable. This is going to be where you're putting your body. Look for the signs of how to do it. This is face forward, and this machine's good because what I remember when I was researching fitness a long time ago, this famous bodybuilder says, doing these, like these side bends with like heavy weight, that's not always the best because it can bulk up your midsection. And I didn't verify this, but the bodybuilder said it, so it must be true. Anyways, when you do side bends with heavy weight, that really tends to bulk up the midsection. So when any sort of exercise where you do a rotation, where you're rotating your body, that's better for your midsection because it helps like maintain like a slimmer waistline. That is what I got from the video. So that's why I believe this exercise machine is pretty good. That it has its benefits. So we're gonna go ahead and hop on, right? And here's how you get started. First, of course, check the weight. Start with something you can definitely do. So I'll just do like 40 pounds, right? Just to keep this simple. And Planet Fitness has this thing where you can scan these codes, and I think it tells you what to do, which is pretty cool. And I'm gonna go look for another knob. So down here, you got a little lever. You pull it up, you can rotate this thing, which is great. So I like to rotate it all the way around so I get as far of a range of motions as I can possibly get. And you're looking at this. You're probably gonna want this about chest level, so you can grab onto it. You got these handlebars right here. So go ahead and grab onto those handlebars, and all you do is you look at the face forward, and you're facing forward, and just go ahead and rotate your torso. Just like that, just rotate. And there you have it. This is the torso rotation, and I wish you, and I think that these are all just about Planet Fitness because they're all pretty standard. It's publicly traded companies, so they need to have a gym that's consistent and friendly and available to as many people as possible. So anyways, that's the torso rotation machine. If you got good information out of this video, if you enjoyed it, if it was helpful to you, I do have a link to a yoga mat in the Amazon link below, and if you go there and shop on Amazon, I do get a commission. So I urge you to do that, and of course like and subscribe to this channel. And thank you so much for watching. I wish you success in all your physical, mental, financial, and any other success you're looking for. So have a great day, and thanks for watching. Wish you success.